Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Machines. Today let's start with the Suzuki SV650, which has been updated for 2025 version. The Suzuki SV650 completes 25 years in the market since its launch in 1999. The motorcycle has received various updates in its 25 years of motorcycle journey. For 2025 edition, the motorcycle still looks same. There is no exterior or interior changes. Apart from that, there is a new color update, which is pearl vigor blue. With the blue color chassis trellis frame. Apart from that, there are other two color options, which are matte black and matte green. The motorcycle uses a 650cc 90-degree V-twin engine with 8-valve setup and liquid cooling system. It is mated with a 6-speed gearbox and a wet multiplate clutch. The motorcycle produces around 73 PS of power at 8500 rpm and 64 Nm of torque at 6800 rpm. The motorcycle rides on 120 section front and 160 section rear tires, tubeless. The suspension duties are handled by 41 mm telescopic forks at the front and link type monoshock at the rear. Both 650 weighs around 198 kg with the seat height of 785 mm and ground clearance of 135 mm. The fuel tank capacity is 14.5 liters, which is less for a bigger motorcycle of this capacity, but SV650 looks modern yet classic with its LCD digital instrumentation with 6 levels of brightness, which reads all the required readings on the display. It is built around the steel tube type trellis frame, which exposes in different colors right now with the different color schemes. The motorcycle uses all halogen lights across the motorcycle except the tail light, which has been LEDs since a few years. So Suzuki might give it a new makeover in the upcoming years, but yet this looks good and it looks still fresh for a beginners or mid-variant motorcycle. The competition for SV650 are Triumph Trident 660, Kawasaki Z650 RS, Yamaha XSR 700 and Ducati Scrambler, which is an entry-level motorcycle for Ducati Scrambler unit. So this motorcycle is great for its adventure and it is the only motorcycle with V-twin engine in its category. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.